Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video we will discuss the tone rules for a syllable ending with a short vowel sound. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. In a previous video on this playlist, we explained that the tone rules determine the tone with which a syllable is spoken when there is no tone mark in the syllable. We also discussed the tones for a live syllable. In this video, we will look at the tone rules for a syllable ending with a short vowel sound. The tone rules for dead syllables will be discussed in an upcoming video. A syllable beginning with a localist consonant and ending with a short vowel sound is in the high tone. For example, na in the high tone, which is a particle that softens a sentence. The word na has one syllable that begins with a localist consonant nonu and ends with a short vowel sara'a, hence the high tone. A syllable beginning with a middle-class consonant and ending with a short vowel sound is, however, in the low tone. For example, ja in the low tone, which is used to indicate the future tense and can be translated as will. The word ja has one syllable that begins with a middle-class consonant jo-jan and ends with a short vowel sara'a, hence the low tone. A syllable beginning with a high-class consonant and ending with a short vowel sound is also in the low tone. For example, si in the low tone, which is a particle that indicates emphasis. The word si has one syllable that begins with a high-class consonant so, se, and ends with a short vowel sara'i, hence the low tone. Those are the tone rules for a syllable ending with a short vowel sound. We can summarize by stating that a syllable that does not have a tone mark and ends with a short vowel sound is in the low tone, except the syllable begins with a localist consonant, in which case it is in the high tone. For example, ja, which is used to indicate the future tense and can be translated as will, and si, which is a particle that indicates emphasis. Ja begins with a middle-class consonant jo-jan and ends with a short vowel sara'a, while si begins with a high-class consonant so, se, and ends with a short vowel sara'i. Both are in the low tone. On the other hand, we have na, which is a particle that softens the sentence, in the high tone, as it begins with a localist consonant nonu and ends with a short vowel sara'a. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.